Hello everyone, good evening to all. Today I am going to solve a question on status 126. The question is freedom. Freedom. Here the question says Irene, Mikasa and Armin are playing a game with an array A of length n to get freedom. Here the freedom is like you can select any indices I and j so that I and j more than equal to 1, I less than j and I and j less than equal to n, and let A, B, C denote the points of Irene, Mikasa and Armin respectively, where A equal to A of I minus A of j, B equal to A of I plus A of j, C equal to A of I plus A of I into C equal to A of I into A of j. So then Iran, Mikasa and admin will get freedom if the value of A, B, C form a arithmetic progression. Then only he can get freedom. So you have to find the number of indices I and j which exist. You have to count the number of indices in which I and j so that they can get freedom. Here in this case 139. In this case, if you choose two indices but they are not given AP, but in this case if you choose 6 and 2, 6 minus 2 is 4, 6 plus 2 is 2, 6, 4, 8 and 12 which is in AP. So in the question you have given a array of size n. You have given like 2, 1, 8, 6, 2. You have to find an index I and j such that 6 minus 2, 6 plus 2, 6 into 2 which is 4, 8, 12 which is in AP. 4, 8, 12 are in AP. So you have to find the number of indices such that they are from a arithmetic progression. So this question is actually a tricky question. So you have to think the question in reverse order. So if you can think the question in reverse order, then only you can solve this question. Otherwise it will take a long time to solve. So you think that 6 and 2 which can give a AP, but you can take 6, 4 which is not, but 6 and 2 and another pair which is possible are 4 and 4, because 4 minus 4 is 0, 4 plus 8 is 8, then 16 which is in AP. So 6, 2 and 4 and 4 these two pair can give AP, but remaining pair cannot give AP. So you have to count the number of ways 6, 2 and 4 are present in the array. So if the array gives 6, 2, 2, 4, 4, 2, 6, 2, 4, 4, 2, then this 6, 2 can be 2. This can be one pair, 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 this can be one. For 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For 6 equal to 4, 6 equal to 4 pairs. 6 and 2 give 4 pairs for 4 and 4. This gives 2. This gives 1. This gives 2. For 4 this 3 gives. So 4 plus 3 which is 7 possible indices. You have to return 7 in this case, because if 4 4 4 4 possible, then in this case it is possible 3 plus 2 plus 1, which is not equal to in this case the occurrence of 4 is 4, so the answer is 4 minus 3 by 2, which is if the number of count of occurrence of 4 is n, then the pair of which gives a pair n into n minus 1 by 2. This is only for 4 and 4 pair, but later you have to find for 6 and 2. For 6 and 2 you can think 6 2 2 1 2 2 6 2 2, which gives in case of this 6 1 2 3 4, which gives 6, but in for this 6, this gives 4 gives 6, this gives 6, but for this 6 you can choose two indices. Here if the array gives 4 4 4 4, here the number of occurrence of 4 is 4, so the formula is if n is the number of occurrence of 4, then the formula is n into n minus 1 by 2 pair gives a arithmetic progression. This is only for 4 and 4. Later you have to find for 6 and 2, which for 6 and 2, for this first 6 you can choose this 1 2 3 4 5 6 6. For this 6 you can choose 1 2 3 4 4, but for this 6 you can choose 1 and 2. So the answer is n into n minus 1 by 2 plus 6 plus 4 plus 2, which is something like if n is 4 into 3 by 2, which is 6 plus 6 plus 4 plus 2, which is 10 plus 8, which is 18. The answer is 18. So you have to return 18 in this case. So let's come to the coding part. Here also I have explained the same thing which I explained in pen and paper. First I calculate the number of occurrence of 4, then I store c into c minus 1 by 2, which gives the number of pair, which gives a arithmetic progression. Then I count the pair for 6 and 2. Then I sum and return s as the number of indices, which gives a AP. Then I run the code. I think this will gives right answer as 0 and 1. Yes, this gives 0 and 1. Now I am going to submit the code. Yes, I think this will get accepted. Yes, this is the correct answer. Thanks everyone.